Congratulations to the De La Salle Queens Archers for beating the Adamson Blackhawks 8-2. The Queen Archers are now at 2-0. We have Coach Topex Robinson, Don Dumo, and Henry at 1. Coach Topex, congratulations for this second straight victory. I think this is your biggest win since you took over the Queen Archers last season. Were you expected to win this big against Adamson?
We didn't really was looking at the score. We just played basketball. We tried to keep the energy. That's why we pretty much use up everybody just so we'll have the same energy. Again, that's just who we are and what we do. And again, we just try to fight our own selves and really challenge it in the next game.
Thank you, Coach Topex. To Toy, your first year in the game, right? You had 15 points and plus 20. So, ano masasabi mo na yun nga, binigyan kayo ng chance ni Coach Topex sa court and then nag-deliver ka naman. What can you say na sa una mong laro at ano ba yung ipapakita mo in the future for LaSalle?
Yun lang yung lagi lang sinasabi ni Coach sa akin na laruin ko lang yung game ko every game. Binabalik ko lang yung mga tiwala pinibigay niya sa akin kaya sinasag niya ako 100% ng ginagawa ko.
Thank you, Doy. And to Henry, you had 11 points, 16 rebounds, and plus 22 on the court. So, what can you say about your performance today and the trust given you by Coach Topex? What can you say?
Starting the game, I was out of thinking because Topex told me that I'll get my game soon. So just get fighting, playing defense, doing the things that I can, while I can't to score. So just do other things. So later on in the game, scoring the game, and first one.
Okay.
Abante kayo agad. Paano yung approach ng hindi magbababa yung laro, patuloy pa rin na mag-focus?
We always learn from our past experiences. When we played Adamson in the Pinoil, we were ahead most of the time, and then there was a chance that we kind of relaxed. And that gave Adamson all the opportunity to really get close to us. So we learned from that. That was the reminder for the team coming into this game that this Adamson team is scary. You know, they just came off a victory against FPU, so their morale are high, and then we came off just a close game. So we want to make sure that we don't fall into that same trap that we had before. So we just said that we just focus on play this game per quarter. We want to make sure we limit the production of Adamson, and just what we did. We weren't looking at the whole picture of the game, but we're looking at quarter per quarter. So we want to bring in the same energy as we had. We kind of messed up in the second quarter. We gave them 20 plus points. So that was a reminder for us.
In this game, and allowing everyone to contribute.
I think we don't really have, I would say, magic bunot. Everybody on this team knows that they will have the opportunity, and when it's gonna happen, we don't know. But ang sinasabi ko nga sa atin that opportunity will always come by you, but it depends on kung ready ka. Just like you mentioned, though, he struggled in our first game, but the opportunity here came for him to shine this time. So I guess we also have to give credit to the guys that plays with him. You know, when they know that Doy was having his game, they're really looking for him. You know, it wasn't really an instruction for the coaching staff, but it's them. We always tell that we always play for each other. And it just so happened Doy and Henry were having a good game, so guys just gave it the opportunity.